here is one of my favorites. 1968 Buick Riviera. Absolutely gorgeous cars. This particular car, two-owner car, second owner actually purchased it from the family that bought it brand new. It's numbers matching, so it has the original 430 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. And we're going to check out underneath the hood here in a little bit. Original mile car, just a little over 68,000 is all in this one. Let's go ahead and take a look at the chrome up front. And the grille, of course this one you can only drive during the daylight hours since there's no headlights. Just kidding. Kind of want to see if somebody makes a comment down below with a video on that. Hideaway headlights in the grille. Those will be vacuum operated from the factory. We're going to check them out on this car when we start it up. Let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. We're going to look at the interior a little closer. If you want to take your time looking through the still pictures on this one, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Of course, the Buick wheels, white wall radials, Firestones. W paint code, silver beige mist. Black interior, 678 trim. Black vinyl roof. And you can see the paint shows well. This would be a great car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, and you just don't see them every day either. Kind of that luxurious sports car. Take a look at how straight these panels are too down the passenger side of this car. Bucket seats, center console. How cool is that? Very original looking interior. We're going to get around to the driver's side, check it out a little closer, start it up, let you hear it run. Like I said, peek underneath the hood. At the very end of this video, we're going to take this car for a drive too. Optional rear defrost. But once again, look at how straight those panels are. And I believe between 67 and 68, you experts out there can tell me, there would have been something that kind of changed with the side marker lights in those years. You notice it on the Chevy trucks, I believe it is, 67 to 68. Put it down in the comments. Let us know. A little trivia for you. Chrome in the rear bumper, looking good. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See, the paint shows well in the trunk. How about this driver's side? Now, if you like these late 60s Buicks, maybe you kind of like the muscle car era, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase online or off our showroom floor if you can see it to make us a person. Wish I had room for this beauty in my garage. And again, driver's side, you can see how nice and straight those panels are. While that paint shows, let's move on to the interior. All right, door panels. Driver's door panel looks good. Back seats, excellent shape. Of course, the speaker between the seats back there. Buckets up front. Of course, you're going to have two belts because, of course, you would have your lap belt and your shoulder belt. You can look up over above the passenger window and see it up there. Tilt column. There's your exact miles, 68,301. That's actual. Basically, second owner bought it from the original family that purchased it new. Let's fire up that numbers matching original 430 cubic inch V8. Top of the dash. Looks good. I did have the AM radio working. Let's put that on a second here.
Presidential nominee. Throw Kamala under the bus.
AM radio working. Good looking interior. Oh, that big door closes and I barely swung it. That's how your grandpa's Buick sounds right there. And I would take it all day long. Let me go ahead and pop this hood so we can take a peek underneath there. First of all, though, I suppose we should probably check those headlights. Tell you what, let's check the headlights first and we'll get this hood popped open. Well, they both opened. Looks like one may need to be replaced, but headlights working. We can get that one replaced. Not a problem. What high beams? How cool the front end is that? I don't care what you say. And back closed. All right, so hood popped. Do want to mention a few things. This one does have a newer water pump, new battery, wheel cylinders. There's those headlights. Once they're folded away and stored, new die-hard. Battery disconnects for in between drives. Looks like a newer radiator too. Here it is, the original 430, and you'll be able to see the stamping on the block, and with the still pictures, you're also going to be able to see the data plate as well as the VIN tag. That'll all be in the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. AC has not been converted, and the text did not mention that it blew cold, but it seems that all the components are there. It's all still hooked up. So pretty stock looking engine bay, which doesn't surprise me due to the fact of the known ownership of this car. You won't see them like this too often, folks. 1968 Buick Riviera. Call us 507-386-1726, UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1968 Buick Riviera. Another one of those luxurious coupes from Buick. This is a two-door and automatic on the column with a nice powerful V8, as Buick like to do. Our turn signal indicator is working. Temperature gauge is a quarter of the way up. Fuel about an eighth of the way up. We are equipped with a clock, but I don't see the second hand moving. Speedometer is working. Factory radio
Taken. I have heard the
is also working. I love how they spell out Buick on the push button quick selector. Nice ride from this Buick. little bit luxurious as they always did, but a little bit sport as well. Really nice looking door panels, seat, carpet, headliner, very nice interior. Vinyl bucket seats with center console. Kind of a partial center console, you might say. Brakes are working well. Easy to steer. Corners as it should. A little bit luxuriously in the corners, which is a good thing. Transmission does kick down as it should. Not a whole lot of these Buicks out there with the hidden flip-up headlights. Such cool styling. Find out more about this Buick and see all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.